Mercedes-Benz W221 S-Class Bluetooth Upgrade Guide. Looking to stream music in your new-to-you Mercedes-Benz? The short answer is that you will not be able to stream audio wirelessly using the original factory radio. Your Mercedes-Benz S-Class W221 is equipped with the COMAND NTG3 2006 to 2009 or NTG 3.5 2010 to 2013 system, which lacks the necessary hardware for native Bluetooth music streaming, a 2DP. While the facelift models, 2010 plus, include built-in Bluetooth for hands-free phone calls, wireless Bluetooth music streaming is still not possible. New sound system with head unit replacement for Apple CarPlay or Android Auto is both difficult and expensive, as the original system is deeply integrated with the car's electronics via the MOST Fiber Optic Network. Due to the risk of disabling critical vehicle functions and disable expensive options, it makes much more sense to add Bluetooth music streaming using Gizmo Guy Gadget that adds Bluetooth functions integrated through the original factory system, preserving the factory look and minimizing the risk of damage and preserve the future resale value of your S-Class.
Balls to the wall, fantastic! Okay, Gizmo Guy, I just received my Gizmo Guy gadget to use in my 2003 Mercedes SL 500, and here is my review. Balls to the wall, fantastic! Matched right up and sounded good, so they cranked up the volume and it sounded as if I had a CD playing, perfectly clear and no static noises. I tried another cheap one out last month and it sounded like crap with lots of static noises. Your product is super clear and just perfect. Yeet, but as shown, you get what you pay for. If anyone has any quarrying on the reality of the claims that you make with your product, I can say without a doubt your claims are true and the product plays with unbelievable clarity. 2003 Mercedes-Benz SL 500 by Robert Rudemiller, Kannapolis, North Carolina, United States.
The Gizmo Guy gadget is designed to be compatible with the Mercedes-Benz COMAND from 1998 to 2012. Via the fiber optic MOST system. It connects through the original sound system to provide Bluetooth music streaming to maintain the factory head unit.
Gizmo Guy's gadget that's installed in my 2005 Mercedes-Benz SL600. Quick view of the install, which is a hidden install and is basically a permanent install. Once this unit is installed and powered, all you have to do is bring your iPhone into the vehicle and it starts playing instantly. Instantly, if I can get it. Go, come on. One thing you need to know is that when you bring your recording device in, make sure that the Bluetooth is connected, or that the phone itself is putting out a Bluetooth signal. Other than that, this is plug and play. It's I've used this all over the LA basin, Los Angeles basin. No static, no drop-offs. I've tried prior to getting this, I've tried just about every single one of the FM transmitters available, $20 up to around $50. And they worked great when you were sitting in the vehicle in one place, but as soon as you started moving around, it would start picking up other signals. It would drop off, get real staticky. As you can hear, this is clear.
Gizmo Gadget Guy transmitter that I got recently. That's the professional edition, I think they called it, or something like that. it's can be used, or it's need to be used with any car that it doesn't have a built-in Bluetooth. So simply the phone will be connected to this device by Bluetooth, and then it's transmitting on a specific radio channel, and that you can choose, and then you listen to the music exactly like you have a Bluetooth in your car. What I did just extra, I didn't connect it to the lighter here just to get better results. I connected to a battery bank here, as you can see. That's the battery bank here, and that's the USB power for it, and it's just sound perfect, exactly like Bluetooth. So here's my phone. I will hit play here, and that's the music. Exactly, yeah. And here is, you can next previous song, bass, mode, and you can also adjust the volume. It's actually perfect device, worth every penny I spend on it. And the gentleman who sell this, he's a very honest guy. I dealt with him twice, and he helped me a lot to choose the right product, because the Mercedes-Benz has a special kind of optic cables between the stereo and the speakers. Yeah, so he helped me to choose the right product. So I would recommend it strongly. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye.
Hey Wesley, this is Thomas. I bought your gadget a month ago for my 2000 Mercedes S430 that's only got 80,000 miles on it. This car is beautiful and it's perfect, except it doesn't have Bluetooth, it doesn't have Pandora, it doesn't have anything. But now, thanks to you, it does. So now I'm hands-free when I'm talking on the phone. Now I got Pandora, I got Sirius XM, I got anything I want. What a great product. Thanks so much.
Today we have a review on the Gizmo Guy gadget. I've had this for about 3-4 weeks now. Bro, this is the best purchase I've made for my S-Class so far. I have a 2005 S55 AMG. It does not come with any type of aux, Bluetooth, no way to pair your phone to the radio and play your own music. However, a lovely guy online sold me this Gizmo Guy gadget. All you do is plug it in right there to the cigarette port. Comes with a USB Type-C charger as well. This you could stick almost anywhere. I haven't found a spot yet. For now, I'm leaving it right here. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful product. There's no static, no... The sound, you're not gonna get a better, clearer sound if you don't use this product. I've used other products. I bought a bunch from Amazon. Nothing compares to the quality and clearness of this product right here. I have my phone connected right now, and you guys can hear me perfectly. I'm going to play a little music so you can hear how it sounds with the music playing. But yeah, if I could rate it 5 stars, I would 100% give it 5 stars. This thing has saved me. To get an integrated system, it's going to be over $500 without installation. With installation, probably around $700. This little device saves you so much money. I get a call, all I have to do is press this, all the audio pauses. Still I rise, my Angelo vibes. When life coming at you from all angles and sides, and they don't want to see that you smiling from inside. It really boils down to how you plan to survive. Love certain ones, but never get attached to them. Give them nice things, but what's that to them? Especially when another girl I flew in is flicking up in my bathroom. That's only half volume on this thing, but I think you can really understand the clearness and the well-built quality of this product. I love it. Rate it 10 out of 10 if I could. Have a nice day.
Google Gizmo Guy gadgets for details.